Hey guys, welcome to the Pega tutorial series. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how you can create a Pega sample application. So once you have installed the Pega, you can go to the Pega PSP startup and hit this button. That will bring up your Pega server, as you can see over here. So once you have started up the server, you can just click on the Pega PSP login. So that will bring up the login screen. Over here, as you can see, I have the default administrator user. I'm just going to hit login. That takes you to the Pega Designer Studio. Over here, you can create your first Pega application. So first, go to the Pega rules on the top left hand side corner. Click on it. Over here, you can see new application. So click on the new application. Over here, there are two different types of application. One is enterprise, other one is express application. So as of now, we'll be covering enterprise application. So let's get started. Hit on the create new application. Over here you can define your application name. As of now, I'm going to give Pega tutorial. Then over here you can give the description. I would say Pega free tutorials. Over here there are different types of applications. You can, as of now, I'm going to leave the Pega rules as a default, whereas in the advanced concepts you can touch base on Pega DM, NLP. This is the personal edition which I'm using currently. So then you can choose the implementation only, or you can define a framework. Organization, I'll type Pega. Then I'll click on next. That brings up to the next screen. Over here you can define the application name. Okay, Pega name cannot be. Okay, there you go. So it's already existing, so you can define as Pega tutorial. Click on next. That will bring up your business objective. So over here you can define as free tutorials. Click on next. So this is your business objective. So there are no items at the moment. So if you want, you can add a case type, but as of now, yeah, let's add a case type. So over here you can define, you can same free tutorials. Description, you can just leave the same, or if you want to add any more details, then click on next. Over here, if you're going to add the data types, so I would say tutorials. Under your description, I'll put free tutorials. Okay, this one I'm going to leave as enterprise layer. Then hit on create. So typically I would say it takes a while to create the application, because behind the scene what it does, it uses the database and a lot of Java libraries to create the application. So that's the beauty of Pega. You don't have to code anything. As you can see, you can do everything over the console. So you can say how business really use these things. For an example, I would say banking. So a banking has like several processes. So when you apply for a credit card, so what it does is goes to some level of credit checking. So over there, if they approve, then your application gets approved. So it's a business case. So you can implement that using Pega. So okay, there you go. Over here we have now a user created, admin, author, manager, and user. So you can, so as of now I'm going to use admin to log in, and the default password is created as rules. So once you log off from here, you would be able to log in using these users. So in the next series, I'll be covering how you're going to use all the remaining users. So as of now, I'm just going to cover admin. Just click on log off. Over here, just put the same username, and password is rules. Then click on login. So that would bring up your admin panel, basically the case which you have been just created. Okay, there you go, free tutorial application. So on this tutorial, you just learn how you can create your first Pega tutorial using the enterprise application. Thank you.